back to my channel, and today is Sunday and the date is July 11 and day off ko, and because of that I am on my way to have my first vaccine, corona vaccine. And this time, I mean, a lot of Danish people are having actually Pfizer, but then I don't know why I get an email that I'm gonna receive a vaccine that's called Moderna, and I'm also okay with it. I mean, any vaccine is good vaccine. So I'm gonna have it in an hour from now. So we're driving, and this is my first time to be on that area, so I didn't really know. But anyway, it's gonna be easy. Obviously, there are gonna be a lot of signs that I just have to follow. So yeah, I'm just gonna update you a bit later of how does it feel, and generally speaking guys, takot talaga ako sa sa mga vaccine, not necessarily vaccine but injections, you know. So yeah, I just hope it's gonna be fine. And Martin already got his vaccine a month ago, I think. Yeah, a month ago, and he had Pfizer, and then I think next month then he's gonna have the second dose of the vaccine, and me right now, and then in 2 weeks time then the second one. So yeah, that's gonna be the activity for today. I'm happy I'm gonna have the vaccine now, so we can all move on from this situation. But it doesn't mean you're gonna have vaccine, you're never gonna have corona. They said you will still have corona, but it is an assurance that you're not gonna have the very, very bad corona where you cannot breathe and you're gonna be hospitalized. So yeah, I'm just happy I'm gonna have it now, and we're on our way to normalize our life again. Now guys, I've just been done with the vaccine, and it actually was very, very quick, and there was a long line, but then it's very organized. So as soon as you get in, there's actually two options. There is the Pfizer and the Moderna, and when you get in there, they will ask you is it Moderna or Pfizer, and obviously I had Moderna even if I wanted Pfizer, but I don't see any difference actually. I think it's both are effective. So anyway, so I choose, and then I said okay, Moderna. So they lead me on that line, and then as soon as you get there, it was so fast. But I got a bit worried because in the brochure that they give us, it's like you have to have your yellow card, which is the medical card here in Denmark. So you got a yellow card, and then you also have to have face mask. But then I didn't have any face mask on, and I was looking everywhere. There's most of the people were having face masks, but there are also some who didn't have. So I was like, okay, I'm just, you know, it's gonna be fine. So I line up in there, and then they scan my yellow card. After that, another line. It was so quick, like I think less than 10 minutes. And then after that, the final line, they will ask you, you wanna be standing up or sitting down. So there's two lines again, and I'm not so good with needles. I was like, I need to sit down. So I was led that way, and then there's rooms with different numbers, and I was in the number 55, and I went in there, and the one who injected me is actually not Danish. She looks like from Brazil, that kind, and she was so friendly, and she asked me if I'm afraid of needles, and go, yeah, I'm not so comfortable with it. And she just said, okay, look the other way, it's gonna be done so fast. And she did it, and then after that you go out, and then there's like a basketball court where different, you know, seating position, and then yeah, and then you wait 15 minutes, and if nothing happens, you go out. And if you feel something different, headache, whatever, then there's a lot of nothing happened. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling all right, so I'm happy it's done. So pretty, 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 pretty.
surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy.
Had a good food, and then sa kinainan namin, it's just walking distance to the Asian store. So I bought some goodies. Kasi walking distance lang yung kinainan namin at saka yung Asian store. And Martin bought this. It's dumplings, and we had it the last time. It was really good. And then may ice cream din na napakamahal. I thought it was just like 30 plus kroner, but it ended up actually
68. So we actually gotta eat that now in the car
kroner.
because it's so mahal.
68 kroner for that very small ice cream. And then I got this one because I've been craving for mochi. There you go, 25 kroner, 6 pieces, yumsy.
Also have to defrost it.
And then this one though it has to defroze a little bit. So wait for that, and now I'm just gonna eat the mochi and I'm gonna enjoy it. So 6 pieces inside, but hindi pa siya makakain. It's because it's too frozen. So wait na muna tayo. For now, I'm gonna enjoy this 25 kroner, 6 pieces of assorted mochi. Now let's try the hirap. I wanna try the one that's like
sesame.
Now I want to try this with a lot of
I
salami.
remember in Chowking, Philippines, there was something looking like that, but it tasted good.
Yeah, but it was different.
It was
not
also,
like this.
I think it was fried, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was fried.
It was like some like.
So now this one with a lot of sesame. I asked Martin if he want to try it. He tried actually the one with the color green, but he doesn't like it. He doesn't like the texture, and then I'm happy. It's all for me, and I love it.
How about eat more so I can eat the ice cream?
The inside, see?
The inside.
You don't like it. It's like color green, weird look. Ala, kinuha na niya. Do you like it?
This one is actually good.
Really?
Yeah, maybe it's because of the sesame seed. I break out the gooey texture. This one is eatable, and it's like chocolate, something active. I like it.
It's like peas inside.
You will never be happy, but
Then if we eat the sesame thing, I will eat the other one. It's like that, like a white child. Sarap!
inside of that one?
It's color white.
Okay. It's color white, I don't touch it. What's the taste, for fuck's sake?
I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like vanilla or something. I don't know, just eat it. It tastes good. It's so chewy. So yummy. Hello guys, we just got home and parang nafe-feel ko na ang side effect ng vaccine. I feel so tired. Tapos dito medyo masakit siya, pero normal lang naman yan kahit sa anong injection. Mafe-feel mo talagang medyo mabigat konti. But then I'm so tired. I feel so tired that I really I want to sleep right now. I want to take a nap, and maybe when I wake up, I'm gonna feel better. So, see you. And by the way, kumain kami dun nga sa Mel Markel. So, in English translation, it's food market. And it was so good. There's a lot of food to choose from. Pero yung gusto ko talaga kasi kumain ng rice. I was so hungry. I had not had food the whole day. So, I choose to have the Indian kasi nakita ko may rice and it was so good. And yeah, now I just got home and I just want to take a nap kasi yun feel ko right now. I feel tired. Like in tired. But anyway, yun guys, see you later.